Cook with me this juicy steak bites here with a creamy, delicious mashed potato. Now, if I'm being honest here, guys, I'm relearning how to be creative in my kitchen using just making use of what I already have and enjoy why I enjoy the process. Yes, let me put it that way. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. You are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for always tuning in. Let me say compliment of the season, guys. Compliment of the season to everyone out there. Now let's introduce the menu of the day. Okay, what is cooking? Today we are having steak bites served with mashed potatoes, sautéed carrot, and spinach. If you are making a short ceiling of a steak, you want to go for the right part so you have that juicy and a tender outcome. I love to go for Cillian. What I have on this day was Cillian. You can go for Leons, you can go for ribeyes, you can go for flat steak. There are so many parts that are marbled, a little bit marbled with fat. This will give you a great or a perfect juicy outcome. So go ahead, I cut my steak in a small bites, seasoned with a small amount of salt, cracked pepper. I don't skip the cracked pepper. I went in with some pressed garlic, which is very important in this meat for me. And then I went in with steak spice just to give it a little bit of touch of color. I went in with some drizzles of paprika powder, smoked paprika powder. Generously incorporate everything and seal. Another tip while sealing your steak, now please do not jam everything at a go in a pan. You want to give them space. Make sure you have enough space in your pan so they don't start releasing the juice. Okay, if it's much or something, just do this 2 times, 3 times to achieve your goal. And again, you want to go on a high heat because if you go on a low heat and it begins to release the juice, your juice will get your beef will get dry. Okay, the steak bites will get dry. So you just want to do it rush and then take them out. Okay, make sure it is well sealed both sides in a short period of time. Now, why did I say I'm beginning to relearn how to be creative in my kitchen? I do that, but it's getting more interesting for me when I see the outcome of the meal. Now, the plan of this meal was to make steak bites with some mashed potato and green salad. Along the line, I realized I still have 1 or 2 carrots in my fridge. You know those times you buy carrots, you still have small leftover, and at the end of the day, you just throw them off. That I do that. Yes, my finger hands up. I do it. But these days, I feel like I will not throw a thing off as long as the kitchen is existing. So I got that carrot, peel it. It wasn't spoiled. And I also had some spinach at home for my morning breakfast. So what I did was just peel the carrots, cut them, saute them in a pan, add in some spinach. Because sometimes we just keep judging that it does not match together. Okay. But guys, these things are amazing vitamins. Now, before I continue, look at what the steak is. Look at the outcome. It looks super delicious. Now, those things are amazing, full of vitamins. So, why should we let them go? I can imagine the benefit I got from this carrot and spinach instead of throwing them away. Okay, so that is it for that. I just sauteed them in a pan. Before I was ready with my steak, I added some spinach. The spinach has to be just a little bit of heat and you are good to go. I seasoned with just small amount of salt and pepper. That's it. I didn't do much with it. And guys, it was tasting everything you can imagine. Okay, back to our steak bite. After you achieve a nice golden sealed steak bite, you want to set it aside. Now, in the same golden flavorful pan, you want to add in some green spice. I have my green spice. If you don't have any, go for garlic and some herbs, okay? Add in some butter cubes, which I did here, and then add in some flavor like Worcester sauce and soy sauce. Now, those two Worcester sauce and soy sauce, depending on how much you can take, depend on how much Asian flavor you can take. I don't take much, and then bring back your steak bite, add in small amount of liquid. This is just a way of reheating your meal. Please do not cook it. Don't go and give gas and start cooking it. Your steak will get dry. You want to get a little bit of sauce to have your mashed potato and also serve a hot meal. This is the meaning of bringing everything back in the same pan. You want that juicy looking steak bite. While I was doing that, I was just taking off, cleaning my kitchen until everything is warm up again. My mashed potato is also ready, so you just need to warm up, turn on the heat. Rewarm it. It's like a timer. You need to know how to time your meals, and you're at the same time to serve a warm food at the table. I hope you enjoy watching till this time. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't. If you are new to my channel, you want to check out my recipes. If this is what you love to see, please stick around by hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell. You will be the first to be notified, among the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much. Now we are good to go. Our meal is ready, warm. It's time to plate. I love plating. Plating tells me a whole lot of things. Plating just get my appetite ready. It tells me home cooking is the best. It's amazing. It's delicious. It tells me to save my money. It tells me comfort food is one of the best you can ever do to your family. Okay, so I hope you enjoy watching till this time. Just go ahead, please, guys, like this video for me. Please do not forget to hype this video. It does a whole lot for me. Please hype and also follow me on Facebook, guys. I am so lonely on Facebook. Guys, give me a follow at Anniekrieger Plate and also on TikTok. I hope you enjoy watching once again. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.